In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to verify your OneXBet account. You have to have a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, you click on register. On this next section, you click on full. On this next section, you input all the necessary information needed here, including your country of origin. And on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. Okay guys, let's go back to our video. You click on your menu. After clicking on menu, you click on personal profile above, and then you enter details. When you do that, you fill in all the details needed here: your name, your surname, your date of birth, origin. When you are done, you click on save. After doing that, you go back and link your phone number to your OneXBet account. So you input your phone number and then link, and also link your email to your OneXBet account. As you can see, I've already linked mine. So when that is done, your OneXBet account